One of the most expensive mistakes new entrepreneurs make is building something before talking to real people. Many professionals sit at their desk trying to invent the perfect offer. Think about it. If you have any type of perfectionist tendency or people-pleasing tendency, it's very, very easy to just sit there and try to make it better and better and better and never ship. But the smartest business owners, they start with conversation. No pressure, no ulterior motive, just a conversation. They talk to people. Now, I recommend you talk to at least 5 people who resemble in some way your ideal client. And they don't have to be someone that you want to be a client, because that might just feel like more pressure. And if you have that pressure, you're going to get that pressure on your client, and they're going to feel like, they said they weren't selling me anything, but they feel like they're selling me something. But if you talk to people, then you can just ask them, like, what's your biggest challenge right now? Or what are you dealing with that's, keeping you up at night? What frustrates you the most? When you really can stand in their shoes and get to know what their life is like, what's holding them back, what makes them feel stuck, and then listen, just listen. When you start with real conversations and real listening, your business stops being a guessing game. In the next video, we'll talk about burnout and why it's usually a systems problem, not a motivation problem.